As you can see that the scenario of Snowfall in London, which is very beautiful to look. So the street is Green Street, where all Asians live there, especially the Bangladeshi, Pakistani and India people are there. And see the snowfall is continuously falling on the roads of London. So how beautiful the scenery. See. It has an attractive, appealing to watch. See, this is the first snowfall of this year for London people. Yeah, they're enjoying it. Everyone is come outside to enjoy that beauty. Oh, some kid is playing over there with the snowfall. Nice shot. Yes, but the most cautious thing is that while you're riding something like the cars or motorcycle or cycle, you have to be more cautious about that. The road is very slippery and sometimes you will be falling and it will be dangerous. See, everyone is enjoying. The noticeable thing is that the snowfall will be not like it's not like a rain. So when it falls on our body, so we don't need to use any kind of umbrella. See.